Okay, so in this question here, it's asking us to calculate the size of angle PQR in terms of x. So PQR is this one here, the roof above the Q, is that angle there, okay? Now we've got to use, in this case, hope you can see the alternate segment theorem, because we've got a circle, okay, and a triangle where the vertices, the corner points of the triangle are touching the circle circumference, and a tangent then which touches the vertex of the triangle. So alternate segment theorem, basically, this angle created here is going to be equal to this angle here, right? So that's why I've called this angle x, right? And remember that idea I said, which often works, about the crocodile mouth thing, okay? So, you know, that he's facing that way, the crocodile, okay? And he's also facing that way at that angle there. So these two are equal. This doesn't always work, right? But a lot of the times it does work. Of course, this other angle is facing the other way, isn't it? So this is going to be different. That's not going to be x. But we know that's x, right? So we can say, right, angle RPQ, right, or QPR, doesn't matter what order you go in, QPR, in other words, that angle there is equal to x. And the reason then, because it says give a reason, the alternate segment theorem. Okay, it's that angle there. Now, there's another theorem we can use as well before we go for this angle, is realizing that this triangle, right, is a triangle in a semicircle, because if you notice, that's actually diameter, okay? So it's a triangle in a semicircle, because ultimately all that triangle is contained within half a circle, isn't it? We can get rid of that half of the circle. It's not of any interest to us. So if we've got a triangle in a semicircle, the angle here, okay, is created here at the circumference is a 90-degree angle. So we can say that PRQ, or should we say QRP, it doesn't matter. QRP is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason, right, is that we've got an angle in a semicircle, okay? Okay, angle in the semicircle of the triangle is 90 degrees. Okay, now we've got that, you can write 90 there if you want. We can now work out angle QPR, right? And it's important to realize we've got a triangle. The triangle adds up to 180, doesn't it? So to get PQR, you've got to do 180, take away what we know, okay? So we know these two, don't we? So we're going to take away x and take away the 90 from it, okay? And that turns out to be then 180 take away 90 is 90 take away x, okay? And there's our answer. We've written our answer there in terms of x, right? The fact is that triangle which adds up to 180, so you just take away then the angles that you know, which is what I've done here, and it simplifies to give me that.